If anyone is watching, please let me know if I am audible. If anyone is watching, please let me know if I am audible. And visible. If anyone is watching, please let me know if I am audible. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible? What's the topic? I'm going to tell you about the topics. सर EVPN के ऊपर वीडियो बनाइए ना. Definitely I will make videos on EVPN VXLAN list. Nikhil Dada, thank you so much for the confirmation. Hope I am audible. Hello everyone, welcome to PM Networking. Guys, many of you know that I am starting a live batch of CCNA plus CCNP today, 8 p.m. And just 4 to 5 years before live batch start, I am live here on YouTube. Question is why? Guys, 22 people are watching. Please like the video once. Please hit on like button. Please like the video once. So why I am live on my YouTube just 4 to 5 hours before combo batch start. Batch will start at 8 p.m. Guys, here I am live to discuss something very important. I will talk about the topic of this live webinar, live session soon. But before that, I must tell you I am going to address some most asked query regarding our CCNA plus CCNP combo course in this live streaming, right? So there are two purposes of this live stream. Number one, first one is to address the query, the most asked query regarding CCNA plus CCNP combo batch. And second is something very important that every network engineer should think in 2025, in today's time. Sir, क्या CCNA का validation? Yes, CCNA will be valid for 3 years. Hi sir, I hope you are doing great. Please, I am asking for that mentorship after CCNA plus CCNP complete. So for the mentorship, either you can enroll today or after CCNA plus CCNP. In the mentorship also, we are going to cover CCNA plus CCNP first only, right? And our CCNA CCNP is also mentorship program only, right? So guys, most of the people are asking about the duration. What will be the duration? And how many classes will be there per week? So duration of CCNA plus CCNP combo batch is going to be 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months. And track is weekdays, means you will have classes from Monday to Friday. Right. The second query which we are receiving on WhatsApp is about the trainer who is going to take the class. So I will be taking this batch. I'm the trainer of CCNA plus CCNP combo batch. The last batch which we had started, the Puneet sir is taking that batch and I'm going to take this batch. Okay, duration is clear. Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. Duration clear, time clear, trainer clear. What I will include in this course. In this course, I am going to cover 3 papers. CCNA 200301, which is the latest paper for associate level for CCNA. I'm talking about the version 1.1, which includes 10% AI content. Yes, there are 10% artificial intelligence content in your CCNA 200301. Then automation part is there, cloud part is there, like virtualization, type 1 hypervisor, type 2 hypervisor, container. In the latest CCNA, we have the automation topic, we have the virtualization topic, we have the cloud topic, we have the security topics like IPS, IDS, and definitely routing and switching, including the network fundamental. The first paper which I am going to cover is CCNA 200301 version 1.1. The second paper which I am going to cover in the combo course is CCNP in core. CCNP in core means core enterprise. And the third paper which I am going to cover is NRC. CCNP NRC. So you can also say this is CCNA to CCIE enterprise. This is CCNA to CCIE enterprise, because I am going to cover OSPF, all about BGP, similarly all about the switching protocols. Like when I will start the OSPF routing protocol, I will cover the CCNA part of OSPF, CCNP part of OSPF, and CCIE part of OSPF. What is the difference between CCNA CCNP, my combo batch, and CCIE enterprise course? What is the difference between these two courses? CCIE enterprise and CCNA plus CCNP combo course. Guys, after CCNA plus CCNP combo course, there are only 10% topics left for your CCIE enterprise. So if you are planning to learn CCIE enterprise, then also this course is only for you, right? And after this combo course, you can go for like rest 10% topics. How is iMedita Institute? I am doing CCNA CCNP. Brother, first of all, guys, I am requesting everyone to not take the name of any institute here. Please, this is a humble request to everyone. Don't take the name of any institute here, Vivek, right? You are at PM networking platform, so just talk about PM networking. We don't have any right to talk about the iMedita. I don't have any right to talk about any other institute. Who I am to judge other institute? No one. Right? So please, it's a humble request to everyone to not take the name of any other institute here. Many times people are saying, I had learned from that institute and now I have enrolled in your batch, in your course. I didn't learn there. We can talk, right, in the WhatsApp regarding your future, right? If you need the guidance, you can connect with me in the personal meeting, but not here. We cannot take the name of any institute, right? I don't know their business model, their training model, right? How they guys are working, how I will know. I know about my model. I know about my training. I know what technique and method I am using to teach people to master the networking, modern networking. This is the reason why my almost 100% students are getting benefit in their professional life. I have already trained, guys, more than 5,000 IT professionals across 120 countries. Almost 100% people are getting benefit who have completed my course. Is it easy to complete the course? No, it's not easy. right? 100% people never complete the course. Never complete the course. 100% people is never going to complete the course. Why? Because it is not all about joining the classes. Even if you are going to pay, if you are going to invest, your money which you are going to invest is the sign of your seriousness, that you are very serious, you are very passionate. Even I am going to give my 200%. I will try to make the complex topic so easier, so that even layman can understand. Then also it is not easy to complete the course, because it is not about joining the classes, it's all about developing the new habit. And developing new habit is not easy. If it is so easy, then doctors suggest so many people to walk for just 10 to 20 minutes a day. And if you are going to walk for 10 to 20 minutes, it can solve so many health related issues, right? 1 out of 3 around the globe are suffering from the diabetes, and doctors suggest to walk for 10 to 20 minutes. It can solve so many health related issues, but people don't walk. Why? This is not about walking. Walking one day is easy, walking 2 days is easy, but if you are walking a month, years, this is all about developing a new habit, and developing a new habit is not easy. Same thing is going to happen over here. If you are going to enroll for CCNA plus CCNP combo course, you have to be very disciplined, because you are going to join the live classes every day for 2 hours for next 3 to 4 months. It is going to be developing new habit, right? If you don't have habit to sit for 2 hours, it is going to be tough, right? So according to my existing experience, because I have already delivered more than 20 CCNA plus CCNP combo course till now, and according to my existing experience, only 70 to 80% people are completing the course. Even those people are only completing the course who are very serious, who are loving the networking, who love to come at the lab. They have curiosity to learn new things. If your class is not going to be, guys, attractive, is not going to be interesting, then success rate, the completion rate of the course is going to be below 10%. Yes. If you are not learning, if you are not able to understand what I am telling, what I am speaking here in the live session, you cannot stay here for more than 5 minutes. Am I right? Yes. It will be very difficult to stay for more than 5 minutes without understanding what I am speaking. So the trainer have to connect you in the class. Trainer have to make the class interesting, right? And this what we are doing in our live classes. Our live classes are completely practical, right? The real-time scenarios are there. That's why 70% people are completing the course. Then also, guys, see, 100% people are not completing. I have never seen that if 30 people has enrolled in the CCNA plus CCNP, that means 30 people is completing the course. At the end, we always find 20 to 25 students in the class. Rest all are gone during the process. But the people, 25 people who have completed the course, are getting exponential benefit in their professional life. I don't know where he is, but still we are connected, right? They all are the part of our community. They all are the family member of PM networking. So many members are there, right? Even here in the comment section, I am able to see some members are commenting. So you all are the member of PM networking. You feel like you are connected with me every day on the social media, on my YouTube channel. Am I right? Isn't it? Yes. So building a relationship with a student is very important. And because of my relationship with a student, 70% people are completing our course. And guys, I am still learning on my communication. I am working on delivering the content that people in the live class, because my expectation is when someone is paying, when even someone is paying single rupees at PM networking, or when I promise anything, let's suppose I am promising X, so I always try to deliver 10X. And my growth, how I can grow my career if I am providing the training, if I am the mentor, if I am the trainer. If my students are working in the top company, if my students are growing in their professional career, then only I can grow my life, I can grow my career, right? And guys, almost 100% students are growing in the industry. They all are getting benefit just because of our training. I remember just last week, it was Saturday night. Guys, please hit on like button. See, 38 people are watching me, but only 7 likes are there. Please hit on like button once. Let me tell you one story. This is very interesting and motivated, right? I remember it was Saturday last week. I was taking the live classes, and one guy from the US messaged to the Arun, to my team member. Nalam, you are not the professional one because you don't know how to speak, how to comment. See, I must tell you, before talking about this story, let me tell you one thing. Like, see, there is one guy with name Nalam. I don't know what's his name. Maybe it's Nalam is his real name, or it is his fake name. But whenever you are typing any comment in the any video, in the live or in the post, or you are presenting something in front of physical people, maybe you are talking to your family members, like your all family members are sitting in the hall and you are presenting something, or you are talking to your team member, your colleague, or you are talking with your manager in the office, doesn't matter where you are, presenting something. When you are typing something in comment here, you are presenting, you are sharing your thought, knowledge, idea, right? Suggestion. You should speak in such a way so that people should love, right? It should be not like people should hate. Your comment, your writing, your communication is like a garbage, Nalam. It's like a dustbin. So go and first learn how to present something, how to ask, how to evaluate, right? If you are sharing feedback, then just learn how to share feedback. It's not joke, right? I'm not joking here. I'm talking about the technical content. I'm talking about the story, real life story. And someone is saying, nice joke. The fool. You will always find 1% negative person on this planet, always and always. You can go and search any video who has significant number of reaction, the good amount of views. You will find 1% people are disliking. Yes, people don't like. 1% people don't like. Even 1% people don't like God. Trust me, guys. There are some negative person who will always and always demotivate you, and you should always ignore him. Ignore him. You should not react. Always keep in mind one thing. See, this is the biggest issue with all Indian guys. Indian guys hesitate to speak English. You know what is the reason? Why Indian people hesitate to speak English? And because of this, so many people are there who are not growing in their professional life, because in the IT you have to speak in English only. And how someone can improve their English? By speaking only. But they are not speaking just because of that 1% negative people on this planet. That what if he will laugh if I will did some mistake? If I am going to say peoples instead of people, that negative person will be there, say, hey Praphul, it's not peoples, it's people. Okay, first learn and then speak. This is the issue with all Indian guy. But trust me, guys, once you will start ignoring the 1%, see, if you are focusing on that 1%, that means you are compromising with the 90%, 99% people who are loving you. If I'm going to stop this video, this live session, just because of Nalam, let's say because he commented something negative, that means I'm going to justice with those who are listening me very carefully, who are learning here. So you should only think about the 99% positive people who gives like. Go and check right now on the YouTube after this session. You can check any video where significant number of reactions are there. You will see 1% people are disliking. People don't like. There will be 1% people in your entire life who will don't like you. The other day, I was taking the SD-WAN class. Arun called me at that time. I said, Arun, I am in class. I will talk to you later. So there was one guy from the US who had message to Arun that I want to talk to Praphul sir. I am calling on his number because also I want to enroll in any course, also will purchase any course at PM Networking, you will get my personal number. Right? So he said, I am calling to Praphul sir, but Praphul sir is not responding. Can you connect with me? Can you connect me with Praphul sir? Arun said, he is in class and tell me if I can help you with anything. He said, no, I don't need it. I am the student of CCNA plus CCNP November batch, and I got placed in Palo Alto company. I got my offer letter today, and I am very happy. I want to thanks to Praphul sir. That's why I am calling him, but he is not responding. This is my success. This is my motivation. So Arun said, someone is there who got placed in Palo Alto and he is very excited, very happy. He want to thank you. I said, okay, I will connect to him after the call. And when I called him, when I was talking to him, I still remember his expression. He was very happy, very excited to work there. He thanks me for everything. He said, sir, this is just because of your hard work, your training. I was never expecting that one day I will get placed in Palo Alto, company like Palo Alto. And guys, so many students are there who is working in companies like Google, Cisco, Juniper, Microsoft. This is my main success. This is my main motivation, why I am working hard, how I am uploading video every day on my YouTube channel. When my students share feedback, right, from the D1 in 2021, I had taught to one guy which course, CCNA course, and even I have his details. He is connected with me. I have a strong database of my all existing student. We always measure the improvement, right? But only 70% people are completing the course. What about the 30%? 30% are failed in developing the habit. What I told you, joining live classes for 2 hours is all about developing a new habit. Am I not visible? Your way of teaching is simple but loving. Thank you so much, brother. Yes, sir. Now it's visible. 2023. Audio was breaking earlier. Yes, sir. You are audible now. Okay. Thank you so much, Ashish. Hope I am audible now. क्या भाई कैसे हो? Come up with your original name. And क्या भाई? See the way of asking question. क्या भाई कैसे हो? Is it the good way to ask to someone about their self, like how you are? मैंने अपना नेटवर्किंग कंप्लीट कर दिया है और अभी 1 मंथ में नेटवर्किंग जॉब में हूँ. Okay, great. So why I am here in the live class? MLM, what is MLM? MLM के बंदे हो? बंदे क्या होता है भाई? So why I am here in the live just before 4 to 5 hours of my CCNA plus CCNP batch, just to discuss something very important. The first thing which I want to discuss with you is what action you should take today in the networking industry. If you are a network engineer or if you are in any industry related to networking, then which action we should take today? Ashish, hi. Sir, I have 7-year career gap. Networking start कर सकते हैं? Yes, definitely you can start your career in the networking, even if there is a gap of 7 years. But make sure you will be comfortable with a starting job. For 1 to 2 years, you have to manage, right? You have to work with low salary, and your work culture is also going to be different. So if it will match with your lifestyle, then definitely it's fine. Right? So I will talk about the serious professionals should take what action. Then I will talk about the passion, commitment. You know, passion comes with commitment. I will talk about the commitment. I will also talk about the free and paid learners. What is the difference between pay and free learners? Guys, why the combo batch? My all paid classes are not free. Why all the live classes are paid only? You know, there is huge difference between people who have invested and people who have not invested. If you have invested, what I told you, only 70% people are completing the course. Even they have invested lots of money to enroll. If you have invested, that means you are serious. Please short brief, sir, about the networking field engineer. What short brief about network engineer? I'm serious. Very good. If you are serious, I'm talking about the difference between free and paid learner. What is the difference between free and paid learner? You know, people who watch free videos, let's say on YouTube or on any social media platform, often skip the learning. They can skip the lab exercise. They can delay. They can give up. But those who have invested, who invest, will pay attention as well. If you are paying the money, that means you are also going to pay the attention, right? The course, like participating in any paid course, is not all about investing money. Guys, money is a very small investment. Money is nothing but the piece of paper for me, a piece of metal for me. But the most important thing which you are going to invest is your time. Developing a new habit to sit 2 hours Monday to Friday. Discipline is important. Yes. So if you have paid, That means you are serious. That means now you are going to pay attention. You are going to invest the time as well. And definitely there is chance, the more chance that you will complete the course, you will perform the labs, you will ask the question in the community, you will use the resources which is available. But many of you are learning from the YouTube videos. Tell me, how many of you have completed the course? How many courses you have completed on YouTube? Not a single course, right? Otherwise, everything is available on the internet. Problem is, yes, on the internet things are not organized, not structured, but everything is available. If you are dedicated, if you are the passionate, you can structure it, you can organize it first, and then you can start learning. But the people who are not investing is actually not serious, are not actually passionate, have issue to develop the habit, new habit. योर नेटिव लैंग्वेज हिंदी वीडियो बनाइए. डेफिनेटली हिंदी में वीडियो आ रहा है नया चैनल पे. 1 मिनट गाइज. Guys, please like the video once. 40 people are watching. 40 people are watching. Please hit on like button once. Please like the video once so that others can also get notification. Please hit on like button once. Please like the video. I'm totally wasting money in networking field. It's true. Yes, it's true. And even if you will go in other industry, there also you will invest the money, waste the money, waste not only money, you are wasting something more than money, your time. Your time is more important than money. With time you can make the money, but you can't purchase that time even if you have so much money. So think about the time investment, the time which you are going to invest. Let's say for an example, I am live here on YouTube. 36 people are watching me, are listening me. More than 70% people are listening me very carefully, are serious. And if you are not going to learn anything after this live session, if you are going to ask to yourself that why I had invested 1 hour there, do I have anything in return? If there is nothing, that means definitely you have wasted the time, right? It means you have wasted something more important than money. Sir, please make video on Versa SD WAN. Yeah, brother, I already told you. Already told in the previous live session that soon I will launch the Versa SD WAN videos as well. We will start uploading videos on Versa SD WAN on my YouTube channel. So guys, free content is good to start. I'm not saying that you should not watch the free content. It's good to start. You can start with the free content. You can check whether I am interested in networking or not. Do I have interest in learning OSP or BGP or troubleshooting the network or not? But when you pay, it means you are paying the attention. Your investment shows you are serious about your future, about your career. And the money which you are going to invest is also not free, guys. It's a commitment. It says you are not just interested, but you are passionate, you are dedicated, You are ready to work hard to achieve something very significant. If you are going to master CCNA and CCNP today, I cannot explain you guys the power of CCNA and CCNP. If you have the excellent level of knowledge, excellent level of lab troubleshooting skill of CCNA and CCNP in your hand, I cannot explain how it can help you to boom your career in the industry. The demand of network engineers keep increasing and huge. Many companies, enterprises are suffering. According to the research, more than 70% enterprises in the world are using SD-WAN. And SD-WAN engineers are very limited, very limited. Right? If someone has this in their hand, it should be in your hand, not in the notebook, not in the book, not in your laptop. It should be in your hand. Because whenever you will move from one place to another place, this will also move with you. It should be here. And if someone has that, then you need to express that. Right? You need to tell to the enterprises about your significant skill, which is already in your hand. That brother, he enterprise, if you are going to hire me, you are going to also have this skill. What is this? What I will do? What company will do with this? Company is going to use it to control, configure, design, manage, troubleshoot their infrastructure. The most important part of any businesses in today's time is managing their network, guys, because their employees, their services, everything is distributed. Users are working from home, cafe, airports, isn't it? Yes. Businesses are moving to the cloud. Right? Technologies are updating. If you are going to master the SD-WAN, CCNA, CCNP, you will be in the demand for next 10 years. Definitely after 10 years, again you have to update the self. For an example, 20 years the market. But nowadays, we are not using frame relay. So no one is going to hire engineer who has excellent level of knowledge in frame relay, right? Today we are looking for SD-WAN engineer. If you are going to master the SD-WAN today, it will help you to work in the industry for next 10 years. After 10 years, again you have to update the self. It's technology, it's updating. Right? One technology is not sufficient. You cannot survive in the industry your entire life with single technology. No. Not only networking industry, guys, in any other industry as well. Whether you are a software engineer, earlier software engineers, testers were working on the C, C++, Java. Nowadays Python is there, AI is there, right? Artificial intelligence, we are managing everything through AI. Even AI is entered in our networking. Many people are saying AI will replace the job of network engineer. Brother, network engineer is only going to use AI. Who is going to use the AI in the network? Network engineer. You need to integrate the AI with your networking tools. For an example, SNMP. Many of you know the SNMP monitoring tool. So here, if I am going to integrate the AI in SNMP, and if there will be any alarm, AI can automatically detect it and it can fix it. I am sleeping at the home, right in my bedroom. In the night at 12 p.m., for an example, a network engineer is sleeping in their bedroom and there is an alarm that particular site is down. So AI can automatically detect it and can fix it. In the morning, you are going to check the logs and then you will get to know, oh my God, at the 12 p.m. there was an issue. And in the same way, we are managing our infrastructure in the company, right? I am working professional. Many of you know, even right now, my laptop has the login to the application, company application. I'm working on the SD-WAN technology only. See, the policy is in front of me. Right? So SD-WAN are the modern technologies. AI is already integrated nowadays. Our routers, our switches, LAN devices, WAN devices are smart, very smart. You can configure these devices through a script, Python, manage it through AI. It doesn't mean AI is going to replace the job of network engineer. Network engineer will use the AI. If you are not going to develop the AI skill, whatever skills required to learn in the AI for network engineer, you have to learn that. If you will not learn, definitely it is going to replace you. That means you are not the next generation network engineer. That means you are not the modern network engineer. If you are calling yourself as a modern network engineer, I'm talking about the modern. That means I'm talking about the modern knowledge. Means you have the knowledge of modern technologies, SD-WAN, Python, cloud, CCNA, CCNP. Our new CCNA, updated CCNA is the modern CCNA, which includes AI, Python, cloud, routing, switching. Right? So AI is going to create the job of network engineer. More network engineers are required. Network size is getting complex. Managing the network manually is impossible nowadays. It's very complicated. Yes, the person who is using the AI will replace the traditional network engineer. This is absolutely 110% true. The people who are using the AI will replace the traditional network engineer. You have to also learn the AI. You have to also learn the modern technology. If you are going to learn the CCNA, the latest CCNA, you are already learning the AI. 10% AI contents are there in CCNA course, in the CCNA 200301. Just after this live session, you can go and check the new syllabus of CCNA. You will find the IPS ideas, the security devices. You will find the wireless topics. You will find the AI content. You will find the virtualization content, type 1 hypervisor, type 2 hypervisor, container. Right? You will find the Python. You will find the Python tools, automation tools like Ansible. You will find the basic overview of DNA Center. The Catalyst and nowadays Cisco has changed the name from DNA Center to Catalyst Center. But in the CCNA, it is still showing DNA Center. In the next update, it is going to change the name there as well. But our CCNA is the modern CCNA, right? It is all about learning the modern technologies. It is all about learning the cyber security only. If someone is saying, I am interested in cyber security, but I am not interested in CCNA, I never understand that. Never understand that. Sir, do you have in core? Yes, brother, I have in core. I have more than 10 plus 15 plus IT certificates, which include CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, AWS, SD-WAN. I'm working on AI project. Can we do some project where we integrate networking with AI? Even you are going to learn it in our CCNA plus CCNP course, brother. You are going to learn the AI here, right? I will do the some videos broadcast on my YouTube channel. You can watch there. If you are even not the part, if you are not, in case if you are not the part of this program, this course, then you can watch few videos on my YouTube channel. When I will teach AI, then I will do the broadcast, and even some videos on AI is already available on my channel. For the Python, some videos are available. SD-WAN, many videos are available. Even complete SD-WAN configurations are available on channel for members, right? 1000 members are there on PM Networking channel who are accessing all the videos like the MPLS playlist, ASA playlist, Palo Alto configuration playlist, SD-WAN configuration playlist, scenario-based network engineer interview question playlist, troubleshooting playlist. These playlists are available for members. So 100,000 members are there who are already accessing these playlists are learning the AI, modern technologies, and they are getting benefit in their professional life. Guys, I have not find a single video, single student till now who is complaining us after the training program that Praphul, I had purchased CCNA plus CCNP course from you, but it is not helping me at all in my job. I am still suffering to get job in the industry. No one. Never. Even if you are going to check the comment section of any video on my YouTube channel, whenever I am live on the YouTube, hardly you will find 1% people are sharing the negative feedback. Those are no one, just other competitors or the negative people on the planet. That's it. How it's possible? How a single person is not going to say, hey Praphul, I had purchased your course and it didn't help me in my professional life? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible with the dedication, passion. Guys, I love teaching. Teaching is in my blood and I breathe networking. Many times already told you. My life is completely involved in the networking. I love to learn the updated technologies whenever any update is coming. I think in India, I am the first person who is learning that update. Yesterday night, I was learning about the cloud integration in the Airtel, which is the telecom company, right? There was some kind of integration between Airtel telecom company with the corporate Google. So Google and Airtel. So I was reading about their integration, like how they are going to integrate their infrastructure, what is their plan, what services they are trying to deliver. So I am very curious to learn the modern technologies. And guys, whenever I am learning something in my life, and if that is significant, if that is helping me to grow my professional life, then I am teaching that to you. I never make video for Windows Server, right? But you know, I am the certified Windows Server engineer. I have experience and knowledge. Reason? That skill is not helping even in my professional life exponentially, to grow exponentially, right? That is completely worth learning. Sometimes it is helping me, but it cannot help me to get job in the company like Google, Amazon, Cisco, Microsoft. No, I am still working. I didn't leave job. Right? So the skill which is helping me a lot in the industry to learn and grow, the same skill I am teaching. And whenever I am teaching, guys, even if when I am making video for my YouTube channel, I try to include my real-time experience in that. Even if you are going to find the OSPF video, after this session you can go and watch any BGP video. You will find my real experience, the scenario, right? When I am teaching OSPF in the live class, every time I am sharing my experience like, okay, from the OSPF, this was the outage in the industry and I was the network engineer there. This was the issue because of that. This part of network was outage. OSPF was running there like this, and then I fixed it like this. Book can't teach you that real-time experience. Only engineers can teach you, who is working, who has experience. And I have experience on almost all the networking technologies. Everything is connected inside my brain. All the modern technologies, all the old technologies, even if you are going to ask me the frame relay or the ATM technology, I can teach you. I don't have experience on that, but I know, because I already told you guys, I am the person who has always curiosity to learn new things. Right? I want to learn all about networking industry, all about networking technologies. right? You must have heard about the OSPF routing protocol. No one is going to teach you opaque LSA in OSPF. Many of you know the LSA 1 to LSA 7. Is there anyone who know LSA 8, LSA 6, MOSPF? But guys, I always teach these LSAs as well in the CCNA plus CCNP live batch. Why? Is it the part of CCNA plus CCNP Praphul syllabus? No, this is not the part of CCNA plus CCNP syllabus at all. Then why I'm teaching? Just my experience. Covering syllabus is not teaching for me. Teaching for me is all about sharing the practical knowledge, the real-time experience. I am always trying to fill the gap between the syllabus and the real network engineers. Right? If you are going to learn CCNA plus CCNP today, even you are the master in CCNA plus CCNP today, there is a huge gap between you and one who is working in the industry, who is the network engineer. My courses are filling that gap. Even if you are going to learn CCNA plus CCNP or PM networking, you are exactly similar like a network engineer, because you are going to configure all the real-time setup, lab, design in the simulation software. You are going to practice it. You are just a network engineer only. After completion of this course, every time whenever I finish the course, I share the feedback with you guys, right? Through the live session only, with my all paid students. Sometime that is mock interview session. In the mock interview session, I am asking questions and those guys are answering to my questions, or sometime asking about the training. But I don't have time to call every student, hey, where you got the job? Can we have one video in the frame? One side I will be there, one side you will be there. I will be asking you, how was the training? Who was your trainer? How you learn it? How was the services? And how you got the place? Don't have time, right? Instead of doing that, I try to utilize my time to create some more content so that people who cannot afford the live classes can also learn on YouTube. This is the main reason why I'm making videos for my YouTube channel, right? Because YouTube videos are just for those who cannot afford the live classes. Only for those who cannot afford the live classes. And even language is so simple, videos are practical, based on real-time use case, real-time troubleshooting. So the poor students, professionals can also learn and grow in the industry. If you are able to afford the fee of paid course, thanks to God, we are at middle, guys, here. At any moment of time in your life, you are here only. There are so many people below you who want to become like you. And it's your responsibility to teach the people who are below you, who are already asking you, hey, I want to reach there where you have already reached. Can you help me? And it's your responsibility to teach them. At the same time, what it will do, you are here at the middle. There are some people who are above you, who have already achieved what you want to achieve in your life. So similarly, you should ask to him, hey, I want to reach there where you have already reached. I want to achieve what you have already achieved. Can you help me to reach there? I'm going to surrender myself to you. Just help me to reach where you have already reached in your life. Every time you are here at middle, there are so many people who cannot afford the live classes. Many times I am providing the, like earlier I was giving the access of paid courses at free of cost as well to some students who cannot afford the fee. If they were able to prove that yes, really they are poor, they cannot afford the fee. If they are going to pay the fee, then they need to loan the money. They need to use the credit card. Using the credit card is the fashion, by the way, nowadays. But if someone has the financial crisis, again it's my responsibility to help them. How I can help them? I can only help them to learn what I learn, implement, and getting benefit, so that if they will also learn that, implement that, then he will also get benefit from that learning. We all are, guys, teaching people. Whenever you are motivating your family member, your colleague, whenever you are sharing your thought, idea, suggestion to anyone, you are not doing just teaching. You are a trainer. We all are trainer. We all are mentor. Alam Ansari. Alam, I think you are the paid student, right? I remember your name. I think so. If you are the same Alam. You are the very, very old student, I think. Right? So, guys, definitely to participate in the CCNA plus CCNP combo batch, which is starting today, 8 p.m. Alam, yes, thank you so much. Okay, Alam, where you are nowadays? What you are doing in your life? Where you are? So guys, what I'm telling you, if you want to participate, if you want to be the part of CCNA plus CCNP batch, which is starting today 8 p.m., then first investment is money. You have to pay the fee. Fee of this combo batch is 25,000 INR. In the dollar, it will cost you around 300 USD dollar. If you are going to pay the fee, that means you are serious. That means you have proven that you are dedicated, you are passionate. And the second investment which is to master the course is your time. Now you have to be very disciplined to join the live classes. Every day you have to join live classes for 2 hours a day from Monday to Friday for next 3 to 4 months. And if you are going to complete this course, you will have something very significant in your hand. If you are going to compare your technical skill from today and after this training program, you will see a remarkable improvement in your technical skill. What you will do with that technical skill, I don't know, but you can use that to grow your professional life. There are so many companies struggling to find engineers who can manage their network. You can apply for a job there. I don't know what's your dream, but I know if someone is going to master the modern technology, they can easily get job in the industry. If you are among the people who are suffering to find job, suffering to get interview calls, suffering to clear the interview, or you are among the people who are already working in the industry, but there is no hike, not able to change the position, stuck at L1 engineer, working at the same position from last 5 years, working in a telecom industry, Praphul, working in the company at the same position for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Doesn't matter what your age, where you are in life. But if you are going to update your skill today, it will help you to grow your professional life tomorrow. 100%, there is no any doubt. Company is not at all hiring fresher for network security engineer. Brother, if you have the significant knowledge in your hand, then how you are fresher? Just design the company network in your simulation and start configuring it. Do the all research which type of issues comes in the network, create that issue and then fix it, and show that as an experience. You can take my company name that you have experience in PM networking. See, the reason why you are saying this, that companies are not hiring the fresher engineers, you know what? Why? It's not about hiring fresher engineers. Companies are definitely hiring the networking fresher engineers. And whenever companies are hiring the engineers, company provides training as well. But people should be able to understand the technology which company is using, and freshers are not able to understand. This is the issue why company is saying no. If you are the fresher, I'm not going to hire you, because company already know that if you are going to say fresher, I'm the fresher, that means you know nothing. Company know. Even if company is going to arrange the interview for you, you will not answer properly like a real network engineer. But in the interview, whether you are a fresher or the experience, you have to behave like a network engineer. You have to show your best. You have to show your best only, right? If you are going to behave like a network engineer, company will hire you. Whether you are fresh or experienced one, doesn't matter. If you are going to say, I am fresher, I have just learned the few topics of CCNA, then definitely there is no one, there is no any enterprise who is going to hire. Then also you can get job. You cannot say we cannot get job. Even without knowledge, you can become a technician, data center technician. You can join the ISP company. You can get job with reference. If your big brothers or any family members or any relatives are working in the networking industry, they can place you in the company without knowledge as a fresher. Yes. But when issue will occur, when issue will come, when you will get experience after 5 years, 8 years, 10 years, you will expect much and company will be providing you less. So there will be gap. And at that time you will start suffering. There are so many people who is living in the depression, right? Networking jobs as a technician, field engineers are not easy, guys. It's tough, very tough. Even I had started my career in 2015 as a telecom engineer. My role was installing the routers, switches, mux multiplexer at sites. Site means, you know, like at the server room, is at the small server room on the field, right? So every morning after wake up, after breakfast, I was taking a heavy bag with so many toolkits and moving to the sites. Even I was not aware where I am going. I was going through the location that this is the location of site Praphul. You need to reach there till 3 p.m. and till 6 p.m. you need to install the device. Role was just installing the physical order in the rack and giving access to the NOC team. And at that time only, it motivated me, it inspired me to become the NOC engineer, operation engineer. When I was working in the telecom, I still remember one incident. It was 15 December 2016. I finished my job at site in the night, guys, around 2 a.m. 1 or 2 a.m. in the night. That was the remote side. Remote side. I'm the Indian guy, right? Whenever we travel outside, mom said what? Hey, Praphul, listen. You are going alone. Make sure you will not talk to a stranger, right? I went there at the site in the day when all the vehicle was running on the road. So many people were there around me, around the site. But when I finished my job, I was even not aware about that time. I was inside the server room. Light was there in the server room and we were doing the task. I installed the device in the rack. I connected the router to my PC and given the remote access to the NOC team. And I was sitting there in front of my laptop. I was looking at the laptop what NOC team is doing. And the NOC team was configuring the devices. Don't know, maybe there was some issue at that time. I was not technically good. Like the routing protocol, switching protocols, I was not aware about these protocols. So just I was watching in front of my laptop that what NOC engineers is doing on the routers. And at 12, like around 1 a.m. in the night, again he called me, the NOC team. NOC team was calling me twice. Once, when we are done with the installation part, when we have given the power to the device, now device is booted, now device is ready to configure. At that time, we need to call to NOC, right? Hey, we are done with the installation part, can you configure the device? First time when I was calling to the NOC team. The second time, NOC team is going to call me that, okay, Praphul, now we are done with everything, now you can leave the site. So around 2 a.m. when I got the call from the NOC team, Praphul, we are done, now you can go, you can leave the site. I closed my laptop, I put my laptop in the bag, the high wheel bag, I hang the bag and leave the server room. When I leave the server room, guys, everything was dark. There was no one. There was no one around me. Even I was not aware about that area. That was the remote side. I walked for 6 kilometers till the highway. Highway was there. The distance between the highway and my sites where I was working was 6 kilometers. I walked 6 kilometers. I reached to highway around 3 a.m. 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning. And the next day, when I reached to my home, I made a decision to quit this job today. The first thing which I did that time, after taking bath, breakfast and those all things, was I still remember the mail, the resignation letter to my company that, hey, I am leaving my telecom job. And I started learning CCNA. I started learning the networking course from the CCNA only. I learned CCNA, CCNP. At that time, I started learning CCIE, but at that time I quit. But then again, in 2018, I learned CCIE. I cleared the exam. And today, in 2025, more than 15 IT certificates with 200K IT professional network, a private limited company with more than 20 people, corporate training, live classes, YouTube channel, over 80,000 subscribers. How I achieved these all things? I achieved these all things just because of my CCNA plus CCNP knowledge. If you are going to ask me, Praphul, tell me which one is the one skill which helped you the most to grow your professional life, to reach here where you are today? My answer is going to be, guys, CCNA. Yes, CCNA, the foundation. I learned CCNA very well. Even within 3 to 4 months, I got job in the good MNC company, in top MNC company as a NOC engineer. I worked as an L1 engineer for 1 year. I got offer from the another company for L2. Then I worked as an L3 architect on the SD-WAN, cloud, automation. And after spending lots of money, energy, effort to learn something, to acquire good experience, I decided to teach people. In 2021, I thought to teach people online. The reason why I started teaching is only one, guys. There is no any other reason. I see there are so many friends, my friends, who was working in the telecom industry with me. I saw those guys are still struggling, are still doing the same task. Oh my God. Only I know how difficult it is. Some days in the night, what if someone will scratch the bag, the laptop, if someone is going to kill me at the site, because there was no one around me. Yes, guys, I was feared that what if someone will kill me. Every time my mom was saying, Praphul, if you are going alone, make sure you will not talk to a stranger. You will not go alone in the night. Living outside with family. If I will talk about the Indian mindset, is different, guys. I don't know from where you are, but if you are the Indian, you can understand this, right? The Indian mama always care for their kids. So my mom, dad was always motivating me to quit the telecom job, but it was difficult to leave the job, right? But in 2023, I decided to help my friends who are still struggling in the telecom. I told to my old friend that, brother, you know one thing, I learned CCNA very well, even CCNP very well. And if you are also going to learn CCNA CCNP very well, easily you can get job in the NOC, in Network Operations Center, where the job culture is completely different from the telecom industry. We are going to sit in a room, in the office, right? 24/7 AC is there. You will get a comfortable chair, tea. So office job and the field job, there is huge difference. If you also want to join the company like this, like how I have joined the NOC company, then just learn CCNA and CCNP. Few of my friends decided to learn and they asked me to teach. Praphul, are you going to teach me like a friend? I said, yes, definitely I will teach you. Then I started teaching my friend first. When I teach my friend, he also learned, he also got job. Then I understand, okay, this is the fundamental. Means if anyone is going to learn this skill, and this skill is completely practical, right? Anyone can learn it. There is not rocket science. Anyone can learn networking skill because guys, everything is practical. And if anyone is going to learn it, anyone can get job easily in the industry. Then I started helping my school friends, to my villager who was playing with me in the childhood. And so many villagers, so many school friends, college friends has learned and joined the company. Then one day I uploaded one video on YouTube. At that time, there was only one issue with me. At that time, in the NOC, when I entered in the NOC, then also my professional life was not growing exponentially, right? My life was like a stuck. That Praphul, you cannot move from point A to point B. You will be working at this point only for your entire life. Why? Because you don't know English, right? You are not able to speak English. You are the villager, right? I was a villager at that time. At that, I never thought that one day I will speak English like this, guys. Never and never. Even if you are going to watch my first video on the PM Networking YouTube channel, you will shock that how someone can speak like this in just 3 years. At that time, the main issue was my communication skill. But in the office, there was a button on the main door that, hey, Praphul, when you will enter in the office, the button is going to be on and you have to speak English if you want to grow. If you are not speaking English in the office, you will not grow. Even you will not lose your job. Whatever you are doing, you will be still doing. But at this position only. Then in 2023, I decided to learn English at the age of 25, guys. Trust me. At the age of 25, I decided to learn English. I'm a villager, right? In the childhood, I never thought that one day I will speak English. Even in my school, the teacher was not speaking English. English was not required. Not required at all. Forget about the student. When teacher was not speaking, so how we will speak English? I was struggling to speak Hindi as well, right? I was only comfortable with my mother tongue. For an example, if I'm going to tell you about my mother tongue, so in my mother tongue, like if you will ask me to say, how are you? So how are you in English? In Hindi, kaise ho? Kaise ho aap? And in my mother tongue, ki hal chal che? Right, so I was only comfortable with this, the third one, the last one, which was my mother tongue. Somehow I was speaking English in Hindi, and the English was just like a dream. When you see someone is when we see the astronaut on the moon, we say, okay, very well, good. But not for me. I cannot reach there. That is not for me, right? English was exactly like that for me. Even thinking about learning English was difficult for me. Hey, Praphul, learning English, you go and watch my first video on the PM Networking YouTube channel only. See how I was speaking. Even that English in that video is, I have made that video when I had started learning English at the age of 25. At the age of 25, I started learning English. I started asking to the friends who are speaking English, who was good in the English, to my colleague, to my manager in the company, that tell me, sir, how I can improve English. This is the biggest issue with me. English, 24/7, whole days, entire month, entire years, English. How I can improve my English? Some colleagues suggested me to listen. Some colleagues suggested me to read. Some colleagues suggested me to speak. But guys, trust me, I'm telling you how I have improved my English and how I have learned the English. English is a language. Is really English matter? English is matter. English matter to grow. But English is just a vehicle to deliver your content, your idea, thought, knowledge, experience. That is important, not the English. But we have to accept it. We are living in the digital world. Here, doesn't matter whether you like it or you don't like it. If you want to grow, you have to speak English. Doesn't matter, right? So, the only way to improve English is speaking. Then one of my friend suggested me that, Praphul, you are teaching on YouTube, you are making video on YouTube, and you are learning English as well. So the best practice for you is going to be make video in English. And that completely changed my life. The decision to make videos in English changed my life, guys. Yes, friend. Then I started making videos in English. If you will find the first 30 videos on PM Networking YouTube channel, all first 30 videos are in Hindi. And then I started making video in English with the very poor quality of English, right? The old videos, quality of old videos are very poor in terms of language, very poor, but that improved my English speaking skill. Even today my English is not too good, but somehow I am able to express my knowledge, my thought, my idea in front of people, whether it is live on YouTube or when I am making video for my YouTube channel, or I am presenting something in my office to my colleague, or I am conveying something to my family members. Every time I try to use English. And every day I am able to measure the improvement. Every day, guys, every month I am able to see the improvement in my English speaking. And I am damn sure in next 3 to 4 years, my English is going to be good. I will be speaking without any fear. Still sometime I am not able to find the words, the correct words to deliver the knowledge, idea, suggestion, thought. But I am able to measure the improvement, right? Now the English speaking is improving. My English speaking is improving. If you also want to improve your English, if you are thinking that my English is stopping me to move further in my life, then there is only one way. That is speaking. You have to speak. There is no any other way. Definitely listening, reading books, learning the basic rules of grammar is important, but the most important thing is speaking. You have to speak. Until and unless you will not start speaking English, it will be difficult to improve your English speaking. Stop bro please. Stop bro please. DOTWRA. Why, brother? Why I will stop? Do you have remote control of my life? If you have fear of others, that if I will do some mistake, others will laugh on my English, that means you are giving authority to others to control your life. You are the leader of your life. You are the king of your life. Why other will decide what you will do, right? You should decide. Don't worry about the others. I already told you, there are 1% negative people on this planet who will always and always dislike you, who have the habit of complaining, are also going to complain to the God that, hey God, you are the wrong here. That's a habit, right? Habit of complaining. In the food, this one is the not good, right? This food should be like that. It's not good. Laptop, this laptop is not good. I need another laptop. This video is the not good. This person is the not good. Right? So 1% people are there on my channel who don't like me. But if I'm going to stop making videos just because of that 1%, then guys, what about the 99% people who are loving my contents, who are learning at PM Networking YouTube channel? Right? So we should ignore the 1%, not the 99%. 99% people like you. 1% people will never like you, don't like you. 1% people don't like my hair, don't like my face, don't like my clothes, don't like my voice. But is there any relation between the content which I am delivering over here and my hair? Is there any relation? No, there is no any relation. Is there any relation between how I looks and what I deliver? What I am delivering here? What I am speaking? No any relation. If you are here, if you are listening me, watching me, that means you are in the networking industry, right? You are here just to learn and grow. You are not here to, right? Correct? Okay, so let's come to the point, guys, about my CCNA plus CCNP combo batch, which is starting today 8 p.m. If you are the serious, if you are the passionate, if you can develop a habit to sit for 2 hours Monday to Friday for next 3 to 4 months, then this program is only for you. If you cannot develop the habit of sitting for 2 hours, if you have issue with time, if you are not in the networking industry or you are not interested in the networking, this program is not for you and it is not going to help you. This is for those who are in the networking industry or want to become the expert in this networking industry, who has dream to learn the modern technologies. They believe in learning and growing. Learn and then grow. Then this program is for you. You should have at least one skill which you have acquired, which you have achieved by investing money, time, energy, and that one skill will help you to grow in your life. If you are going to ask me, Praphul, if you are at zero level today, then how you will start the business? How you will start earning? If you will lost your job, if you will lost your YouTube, everything. The first thing which I will do is I will close my eyes and I will ask to myself, Praphul, find one skill which you have achieved, which you have acquired, and that is worth learning. I will find that skill and I will teach to those who need that skill. First, I will find one skill which is helping me in my life, which can help me to grow my life. So if that skill can help me to grow my life, then that can help others as well. Like if others are going to learn, then they can also get help. I will start teaching them. Right? So you should have one skill where you need to be expert. You can make a goal in next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. I want to be the expert. I want to be the champion in networking. That means networking is your core skill. For me, if you are going to ask me, Praphul, which one is your core skill? Networking, definitely. Right? This is the reason why every day I am working on my networking skill to improve my networking skill more. Guys, if you have not liked the video, please hit on like button once. Please like the video. Only 28 likes are there. 27. One people has dislike. See. Earlier 28 likes was there when I said please like the video. It became 27. Now it's 26. 2 people dislike. So see, some people are just watching me to find my mistake. Some people are just watching to find the mistake. Praphul, if he is going to do any mistake here, then I will comment. There are some people from other institutes as well, I know, right, are just listening me that how Praphul is selling the course. Right? So I don't know about you. It's online, live, right? I don't know about you. This is not the physical classroom. It's a virtual classroom. People can join from anywhere and anyone can join. To join the Live session, just you need to create one account on YouTube. You can join and you can put the comment. You can write anything in the comment. There is no any restriction, correct? Okay guys, now let's focus on our main agenda of this live session. What I told you, the first thing is action. What action you need to take in 2025 and today's in the networking industry? The first action is learning CCNA and CCNP. Master the CCNA plus CCNP, which is the foundation, because foundation is very important, the most important part in any industry, in anything, everywhere. Your foundation is the pillar, right? And CCNA and CCNP is just like a pillar, the foundation. Free contents are also available and also good, but when you pay, that means you are paying the attention as well. So that's why your investment is required to be the part of this program, this mentorship program. Your investment is like the sign of your seriousness. Then the second point was commitment. The money which you are going to invest here is not free. It's a commitment. It's a commitment. It means you are interested, you are the passionate. Now the difference between the free learner and the paid one. What is the difference between paid one and free one? Guys, according to the research, you know, there is huge difference between paid people and the free. The difference between free and paid learner is the people who are going to pay are serious, are passionate, are dedicated, are hard worker. There is a chance that they can develop the new habit. Which habit? Habit of joining live classes every day, because my combo course can only help you to grow in the industry if you are going to join more than 90% live classes. Again, if you are going to watch the recording video only, every recording, then trust me guys, you will not complete the course. You will store all the videos, you will download all the classes after the live session, but you will not complete the course. Never. According to the research, only 10% people complete recorded course. Only 10%. What do you mean by this? It means if 10 people are going to purchase a recording course, if 10 people are going to purchase a recording course, it means only one person will complete the course. This is a research. This is not my thought, not my perspective. According to the research, only 10% people complete the recorded course. So the first difference between free and paid learner is, if you are going to pay, if you are going to invest, there is more chance that you will complete the course. Means you are going to learn the technology. People who watch free videos, maybe on the YouTube or on social media, can skip watching, right? Let's say today you have make a decision to watch the complete Palo Alto course on PM Networking YouTube channel. This is your decision, final decision. Today you have made this decision that every day I am going to watch one video of Palo Alto on PM Networking YouTube channel. Guys, there is 99% chance that tomorrow you will skip watching the video. 99% chance is that tomorrow you will skip watching the video. But if it is a paid course, if you are going to pay, and if it is a live class, if it is a paid recording course, then again there is 10% chance that you will watch the video tomorrow, you will complete the course, 10%. But if it is a live, paid, if you have invested and live, the 90% chance is there that you will complete the course and you will join the live classes. This is the main difference between the free and paid learner. You cannot skip, delay, and give up. In the recording course, let's say one topic is there in the video which you are watching and that is not clear to you. Again, 50% chance is there that you will skip watching the course from there, from that particular point. You will stop watching. You will not watch today, you will not watch tomorrow, you will not watch for 10 days, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years. You will lose the course as well. You will forget the login, password, videos, everything will go on. That's why the live class can be the life changing for you. Because here, I am not alone, by the way. Guys, I am coming with my team here to deliver the world best CCNA plus CCNP training. I am responsible to provide the best technical training, the lab training, sharing the real-time experience, and my team will be pushing you to learn it. My team will be pushing you to perform the lab. My team will be available to help you if you will stuck at any step. As I told you in the recording course, if you have doubt, because of that, you will skip watching the video. You have not completed the course. Here my team is here, I am here, right? In the live class, if you will not understand any topic, you will stop me and you will ask that. First you will clear your doubt and then we'll move further. So 90% chance is there that you will complete the course. But again guys, 100% people are not going to complete the course. Even if I am going to give my 500%, even if I am going to give my 500%, my all teams are going to give 500%, right? Even if I am going to available 24/7, then also 100% people will not complete the course. Not possible. That is not about completing the course or joining the course. It's all about developing the habit. 90% people are going to complete the course. The class, live class is going to be very interesting. Definitely, we will make sure about the classes that class is not boring. Because if it is going to be boring, then it will be very difficult for you to sit for 2 hours. So it's our responsibility to how to make the class interesting so that people will not get bored in the class. Class is going to be practical. Done? So that's why live class is important. But those who have not invested are not completing the course, right? If you are going to invest, those who invest, they attend regularly live classes, they will perform the lab, they will perform the labs, they will ask the doubt, and they will succeed in their career. And if you are going to succeed in your career, that is going to be, guys, my main growth. When people are saying, I got place in Palo Alto, Fortinet, Cisco, just after your training, it motivates me, and that is our success. We have a strong database of all our existing students. Even if someone has completed their CCNA and CCNP training, they have purchased CCNA CCNP training from us in 2023, 2 years back, but they have not completed the course at that time, and now he have time. We are allowing him to join the live class without paying. They don't need to pay again, right? They are allowed to join any batch. If you also going to purchase CCNA plus CCNP today, and because of any reason, let's suppose you are not able to complete the course, no problem. In future, after 6 months, again I will launch same batch. At that time you can join and you can complete. This live course, CCNA plus CCNP course, is, guys, not just about covering the syllabus. It's all about the career transformation. We are interested to transform the career of IT professional in networking industry so that we can also grow our company, so that I can also grow my life. Our 60% students who are enrolling in our paid course are coming from the reference. Yes, are coming from the reference. 30% students are coming from my YouTube channel, right? I have never run ad, guys. Like ad, there is one girl who is saying, hey, you want to learn CCNA, CCNP? This is our program. Here you can master it, and they can invest lakhs of rupees on the advertisement, and then they can get enrollment. We never did that, and we're still not doing that. There is no one else who is making video for the advertisement at PM networking platform. We are not interested to invest in the ad. We are just investing to deliver the world-class training. That's it. Right? We are getting our students from the reference or from my YouTube channel. They all who have enrolled in this course, more than 15 students are already enrolled, and I don't have database of today enrollment, right? In the class, before class, definitely I will check with my team. So around 25 students will be there, and they all are like-minded, they all are serious, they all are passionate, they all are working in the industry. If you are also going to enroll in the course, the first benefit and the most important benefit is you are in the community where 25 IT professional like-minded people are there. You can talk to him, you can exchange your thought, idea. If you need help to get job, you can ask to others, hey brother, where you are working? Is there anyone working in company, in the big MNC company? I am also looking for job, can you help me? This is our way to provide the training. First, we are creating the community of like-minded people, and getting access of that community is not easy, guys. Until and unless you will not pay, you will not get access of this community. The people who are already there in the community have already paid, they have already invested. That means they are already serious. He is not going to joke in the class. The most important thing is access to this community. I am also there in the community, and some my other team members are also there in the community. For example, Lapton, Arun, who is taking care of quality, who is also there. He do have sales skill, who do have sales skills. And when you are asking something, then why you are sending this emoji? You don't know where to use this emoji. Bloody diaper. You don't know the use of emoji correctly, then not use it now. Don't use it. Learn first how to use the emoji. Okay, so the first thing is, guys, access of close WhatsApp community of like-minded people. As soon as you are going to enroll, you will get access of that community. In that community, already study materials are available. All the study materials are already there. If you have already enrolled and not got access to that community till now, don't worry. You will get access before the class. If you have not got the access of that closed community till now and you have enrolled, don't worry, you will get access of the community before 8 p.m. today. Getting my point? First thing, the closed community access. The second thing, training by working professional. I will send you the link to join the live class at sharp 8 p.m. in that group. And also you will click on the link, you will come in the live meeting where I will be already there. First, I am going to understand your requirement, why you have enrolled. And guys, today class might be possible that today class is going to be broadcast on YouTube. I cannot promise, right? But there is chance that today class can be broadcast on the YouTube, right? So first I will understand your concern. This part will be not there in the YouTube broadcast. I will start the broadcast later, right? This is the introduction part. In the introduction part, I already told you I have already completed more than 20 CCNA plus CCNP batch, and my all previous batches are very successful. This is the reason why we are continuously working on this combo batch, and we are launching, and every time we are getting the enrollment. All the previous batches was successful. So first I will understand your requirement, your concern, why you have enrolled. I will also ask you one more question, that why you have chosen the PM networking only for your training partner, because there are so many other institutes, other platforms are available who are in this field for years, for long times, and I have started teaching just 4 years back, 4 years ago. So two questions. First, two questions from my side in the live class. Why CCNA and CCNP? What is your expectation? Certification, job, improvement, mastering the modern technologies, and then why PM networking? And after that, guys, directly we will come on the syllabus. According to the syllabus, we'll first learn the theory part, then we'll see the practical, then we'll see the real-time implementation, the design, like if I will talk about the OSPF. So how we are going to design the network by keeping OSPF routing protocol in mind. What should be the OSPF design? What should be the BGP design? Then issues and troubleshooting, the most important part. Which type of issues comes in network related to the OSPF will be covered in the OSPF class. Which type of issues comes related to BGP will be covered in the BGP class. How you are going to troubleshoot, how ticketing tools work, how monitoring tools work, which monitoring tools we are using in the industry, with a proper guidance. Guys, understand, I can only teach you that which I have already mastered, correct? I can only teach you that which I already know. If I don't know the CCNA, how I can teach you the CCNA? It is not like first I will learn CCNA before the class, that okay, this is the OSPF, and I am going to teach them. It is not like that, right? If I am going to teach you, that means I am the master in CCNA and CCNP. I am the expert, champion, right? And I believe that if I can learn it, if I can become the champion, if I can become the expert, then you can also become the expert. To learn the technology, guys, there are certain technique and method. You have to use that technique and method to learn the technology. Learning technology and other skills, there is some difference, big difference in between learning technology and other skills. So whatever technique and method I have used to master, to become the champion in CCNA CCNP, I am going to share that technique and method as well in the class. And every day you will be receiving a link at sharp 8 p.m. to join the live classes. Why Praphul everyday live link? Same link can be used for all the classes. That is going to be, guys, reminder as well for you, right? I also learned many things about the teaching. Apart from my technical skill, I am learning teaching as well. I already delivered more than 20 CCNA plus CCNP batch, and what I learned from those all previous batch. Earlier, we were using, in the first batch, we were using the same link. We used one single link to join live class. But every day, the strength was decreasing in the class. because there was no any calendar, right? People was not getting notification to join the class. So first I learned it that, oh, what is the issue? Try to address the issue, Praphul. People are not getting notification. So maybe someone is traveling, maybe someone is at shop. They need to develop the habit of joining live classes, right? You have to remind every day that you have the class at 8 p.m. for next 10 to 15 days. After that, this will become the habit, and then people will automatically join the class. This is the single reason why you will get the link in the group every day. The link is also your reminder. Will remind you that you have the class at 8 p.m. Please join the class. And if you are going to join first 15 to 20 classes, guys, after that there will be a clear and crystal binding in your mind about the class, that at 8 p.m. you need to join the class. This was my main issue, major issue in the first batch, in my first CCNA plus CCNP combo batch. The strength was decreasing every day. I addressed the issue, I implement it, and now we fix it, right? So first you have to develop the habit of joining the classes, sitting for 2 hours every day. For that we will be sending you the link in the group, and my team will be there behind the scene who will be pushing you to develop this habit. We need to develop one more habit, guys. The third thing, first feature is close community, clear. Second feature, live class through the live link in the group. Third feature, you need to develop one more habit to practice the lab. Actually, I don't told you one more investment is there, right? I talked about only 2 investment. Now let me talk about the third investment in this course. First investment was what? Your fee. Second investment was what? Time for live class. And guys, here is the third investment. Again, the third investment is time for practice the lab. Yes, this is the last investment to master the course. The last investment. So for this, to practice the lab, my team will be pushing you behind the scene. He will be sending you the lab. Hey, yesterday was your OSPF topic. Have you configured this lab? If you have not configured yet, configure it. You need to submit it till evening. You need to submit it tomorrow morning. My team can inform me as well that, hey, see, Alam is there in the group, Bijay is there in the group, in the batch, who did not complete the OSPF lab. Maybe you will get call from my team, or maybe my voice call, or maybe I will ask you in the live class. For that, guys, we need a serious 25 students, serious, who are very serious, because it's not just about covering the syllabus or teaching people CCNA CCNP. I need a success rate, a significant success rate for my growth. I'm very interested for my company growth. My company can only grow if my company is going to help professionals. I know this very clear. It's very clear. The Praphul, if you want to grow your company, you have to work hard. You have to impact the society. You have to give the positive impact. You have to change the life of IT professionals. Where you are perfect, imperfect in networking, share your experience. Make people like you. Once you will start transforming the career of others, your company will start growing. That's why, guys, I am planning to make the fee 50,000 so that we can get more serious students. Sometimes people are not completing the course. In day one, in the last batch, if I will share the feedback of last batch, let me tell you, in the last batch, in the day one, there was 25 students. In the last class, there was 18 students. What about the 7 students? 7 students left the course in between. They shifted the live course on recording. They started watching the recording, and I don't have really track of those 7 students. But all 17 students are growing, are getting benefit in their professional life, are ready to share their feedback anytime, anywhere, are sending students to learn from me. So I need serious student who can develop the habit to join the live classes every day and can complete the course. I know one thing, if someone is going to complete my course, then no one can stop him to move further in their life. Yes, if you will complete the course, if you are going to join all 100% classes or maybe 90% classes, no one can stop you to move further in your life. This is my belief. I can promise it. Subham Singh is saying, this guy schemes. Oh, really? Subham, thank you so much. Subham is saying, first tell bro and then outdated. This guy schemes. Okay? So what I need serious students who are very passionate, who are very serious about their career. And that's why there is fee. Until and unless you are not going to pay, you will not be the member of this program. Once you will pay, you will become the member. And soon in the future, the fee will be 50,000. Once we will start getting more enrollment, we have to increase the fee because I cannot put more than 25 students in one batch. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for me to connect in one-to-one. I can not resolve the doubt then, right? So I am very disciplined, very strict on the length of batch. That in each batch, length should not exceed from 25 students. Length of batch should be 25. That's it. Okay. Length of class 25. But what I told you, 100% people are not going to complete the course. So what we'll do, we'll take enrollment for 30 students, and I am damn sure, 100% sure from my existing student, 5 people are not going to complete the course. They will shift from live to recording. So at the end, 25 people will be there. 25 dedicated, serious professionals will be there, and will promise the 100% career growth to those all 25 students. This is our plan. So this is the third feature of this combo batch. First, community. Second, live classes. Third, lab. Third, investment as well. So after completion of each and every topic, you will have a real-time network topology lab. We will see that, right? We will see this is the design for the OSPR, but it's your responsibility to configure that. I will teach you in the live class the configuration, but you have to configure that. You have to practice. If you are not going to configure the lab, if you are not configuring one lab, no worry. If you are not configuring 2 lab, no worry. If you are not configuring 3 lab, no worry. But if you are not configuring any lab, then you will be still there in the group. You will be still joining the live classes. You will be still allowed to ask the question, but you will be not in our 100% career growth promise list. The list which we have made, when we will make that list, we will make that list after 10 classes. In first 10 classes we are going to identify so many things. Who are more interested, your concern, your requirement. According to that, we are going to make a database of 25 students, and I need 100% career growth. Third is lab. Then guys, about the other features, study materials are there, complete lifetime recording access are there. You will have lifetime recording access in future. If you forget something, or maybe because of any reason you are not able to join the live classes, you can still complete the course. You have chance, right? Doesn't matter you are watching or completing the recording or not. But if you have pay at PM Networking, it's my responsibility to provide you the course. So you will have lifetime access of recording, and many other features are also there which we don't need to include here in this live session. Hope it is clear. This program is designed for whom? This program is designed for network engineers, or for those who want to become the network engineer. For an example, someone is working as a system engineer, or earlier someone said that I am in the telecom industry. I'm in the telecom industry and I want to shift my career in networking. So they can also join. This program is for those who want to become network engineer, or who are already network engineer and want to learn the modern technology. Okay guys, in the comment section, if anyone is sending any link to pay, because I'm able to see something is going on here, I don't know, like only 2 to 3 guys are there who is commenting from the beginning. I'm live here from last 2 hours, and two and this one, three guys are there total who is commenting from the beginning only, right, till here. He is sending so many links for the payment to enroll in the course. But if you are going to pay here, it's not our responsibility, right? I am not sending any link here in the group. See, I am talking to you. To pay at PM Networking, you need to visit official website, pmnetworking.in website. You will find the WhatsApp number there on the website, or even you can find the WhatsApp number on my YouTube channel. In the about section, you can find the WhatsApp number in Facebook. You can reach to us on WhatsApp. While I am live, team member is there on the WhatsApp who will help you, right? If someone is asking you to pay here in the comment section, and if you are paying, it's not my responsibility. 3 are there who is doing this from the beginning only, and I cannot stop you. I already told you this is the live virtual class, right? I cannot see people who is there. And to join the live class and to put the comment, just one mail ID is required. People can create the account with any name, and they can join the live class. They can share the link, payment link, in the comment section, right? So yes, this is a scam alert. Don't pay like this. If you are interested, if you want the course, the best way is visit to the official website, pmnetworking.in. If you need guidance, little guidance, connect to the team. Find WhatsApp number, connect to the team, and talk to team. Ask him again, if any conversation is suspicious, then ask him to talk with Praphul sir. Ask him, I want to talk to Praphul first. This is mandatory, guys. Earlier, so many platform was selling my course. There was no videos, only thumbnail was there. Thumbnail and poster, and people had purchased. I remember just few months back, 3 months back, one guy has messaged us that I had purchased your course at Graphy website, but there is no video. I said, send me the screenshot receipt. He shared the receipt. So the people was selling the course there, and it's your responsibility. It's not my responsibility. Where you are paying, you have to make sure that you are paying at the correct platform. And you know who is the judge of social media? Lord Ram. Lord Ram is the judge who is managing the YouTube, social media and all platform. Who is deciding who is the scammer and who is the genuine person? There is only one genuine person on this planet, only Ram. Lord Ram is the only genuine person on this planet. This is the same negative person which I already told you. I'm telling you from last 2 hours, right? It's the same negative person. There are two chances, right? Maybe he belongs to other institute. Other institute might be possible. Or the negative person just responsible to flood the negative information on social media. That's it. That is his task. He loved this. Like you love to learn OSPF, like you love to learn BGP. Some people love to dislike. Yes. Some people don't like the other growth. Right? So many people are there who don't like the growth of their brother, right? He is my brother, he is doing better than me. My God, he is your brother, bro. He's your brother, right? But this is a planet, right? We are human. 1% negative people are there. Okay, so fine, this is clear. The features of our live class. For whom this core training program is? This training program is for network engineer. This course is not about the passing Cisco exams like the CCNA exam or CCNP exam. It's not just about passing the exam. It's all about, guys, it's designed for the real world network configuration, troubleshooting, the real-time scenarios. What you will learn? You will learn the real-time network troubleshooting, the real-time network configuration, the modern technologies. At the same time, if you have dream to pass this exam, if you need the certificate, you can go for exam as well. Easily you can pass the exam. Even after this training program, if you are going to write the CCNA exam 1,000 times, you will pass the exam 1,000 times, guys. Every time, you know, the fundamental of CCNA exam is same. If you are going to ask me, Praphul, if you will give the exam 1,000 times, how many times you will get the certificate? Trust me, 1,000 times. Every time, if you are able to pass once, then you can pass 1,000 times, lakhs of times. Fundamental is same, technology is same, only questions are different, right? Then Mishra is asking OSPF AD value or the OSPF distance value. Every time answer is going to be same, correct? Yes. AD value or distance, both are same. So it is all about, exam is all about like this, right? In every paper, a style of question, language of question is going to be different, but question is going to be same. Mishra ji, where are you from? Like your qualification. Where are you from? Like your qualification? Shivam Mishra, what it mean? Like your qualification? I did my qualification like BTech from the Bhopal, from the Technocrate Institute of Technology in the electronics and communication, right? I am electronics communication BTech pass. So course is not just to pass the exam, but passing the exam is very easy after completion of this course. This course is mainly designed for real world networking jobs. Networking jobs, if you are looking for jobs, this course will help you. Passing exam is very easy after completion of the course. What you will learn, or what anyone will learn in this course, what companies uses daily in their production network, that you are going to learn here. For offline learning, which institute is the best? Hey fool, Abhi, first of all, many times I told you that don't take the name of any other institute here. You are PM networking. Getting my point? You are PM Networking, don't forget it. You are watching me at PM Networking. Why you are taking the name of other institute? Don't have sense? There are two types of people, guys. I told you many things about the negative person, 1% negative person, and 1% nonsense people are also there. Nonsense. Nonsense means they don't have sense. They don't know what I am asking, what emoji I am using, right? What I am commenting, why I am liking, why I am disliking. They don't know. Just they are doing. Just they are doing. Blindly they are doing. That's it. That is complete nonsense. That is called nonsense, right? So 2%, you have to be aware about 2% people. 1% negative people who always dislike you, and 1% nonsense people. Like I'm telling you multiple times, don't take name of other institute. And again you are saying Network Bulls, iMedata, CCIE Hub, Networker Home. What is this? Okay, no worry. Then guys, this course is mainly designed to understand the technique and method to manage the network. There are certain technique and method which we are using in the industry to manage the network. See, so many things are there in the industry. If I will talk about the today's network, routing switching is also there, SDN is also there, AI is also integrated, automation is also there. Is it possible to learn everything in just 2 to 3 months? Not possible. Then how we are going to start working just after CCNA and CCNP? By technique and method. And the same technique and method you are going to learn in the course. This is the benefit of learning from the engineer. See, anyone, any trainer can teach you CCNA plus CCNP, can cover the syllabus, but only the working professional who are the network engineer, actual network engineer, can teach you the technique and method to manage the network. This is the main benefit of learning from network engineer, from the working professional. So this combo batch is in the combo batch. If you are enrolling in the combo batch, or maybe if you have already enrolled in the combo batch, then now you are not alone. Then you are not alone now. I with my team is there with you to help you at every step to grow your professional life. Now you are not alone. We will guide you step by step how to learn, how to master from basic to advanced with lab exercise, dot session, and real-time examples. We are going to help you step by step to learn, lab, and troubleshoot the real-time network. So I will be there and my team will be there. Group is already there, WhatsApp group. Let me show you. Someone is saying Praphul Mishra is the scammer. See, I am opening my WhatsApp. This is the live WhatsApp. See the SD-WAN group. See on the top, SD-WAN group is there. See, people are talking, right? People are talking, still messages here. I am in live session, that's why I have not checked message. How many messages are there? 2 messages are there. So they have enrolled for SD-WAN course. Recently I have started the SD-WAN. These all are paid students, serious students. We have class in the SD-WAN on the weekend, on Saturday and Sunday. Today is Wednesday, right? Still they are talking. Is it a scam? Bro, we are involved in the training. We are the best in providing the technical training. Yes, no one can compete us. No one can provide training like us in 2024. No one. No one means no one. People can teach you CCNA plus CCNP, but they cannot deliver the real-time experience like I am delivering in the class. How someone is saying a scam? Don't know. So they are fool, just fool, nonsense. If even they are from the other institute, they should not like this. They should not type Praphul Mishra is the scammer in the comment section. It should be not like this. It's bad. It's sad for our country because you are the Indian only, right? This is the habit of Indian. As an Indian, it's sad for me, bro. It's very sad. Don't know why people are doing this. My God. Okay, no problem. Leave. We can ignore it, and we have only one option. We have to ignore it only. After that, this course build the foundation in networking. Guys, if I will talk about the first 2 weeks of the training program, so first 2 weeks will focus on the foundation, because we all know the foundation is very important, right? Many engineers fail in interview. Why? Many engineers fail in interview because they didn't study. Because they didn't study, because they didn't build the strong foundation. If you are fail in the interview, it doesn't mean you have not learned the CCNA plus CCNP. Maybe you have learned, but you didn't build the strong foundation. If you have the strong foundation, you can learn the advanced technology by yourself as well. Yes. And even if you have the foundation, the good foundation, a strong foundation, you will never fail in interview. You can crack the interview. Interviewer is not going to reject you just by asking single question. Interviewer are asking multiple questions before taking the decision whether I should hire or reject. Every time interviewer is trying to check the foundation only, guys. How is your foundation? Right? So many engineers fail in interviews not because they didn't study, because they didn't build a strong foundation, because they have issue in the foundation. And our combo course is designed to build the foundation in just 2 weeks. After completion of 2 weeks, if you are going to check your foundation, you will see I have now a strong foundation. You will get the confident that okay, now I am standing somewhere in the networking industry. Praphul, thank you so much for making my foundation so strong. Earlier, I was lacking. Now I am confident just because of my foundation. And you are the only one who built my strong foundation, who helped me to build a strong foundation. Thank you so much. And the paid student are appreciating, right? There is no any paid student who is saying performance is scammer, right? Why? Because I have changed their life. I have built their strong foundation. Because of my training, they are standing somewhere in the networking industry. They are getting benefit in their professional life. They are growing and learning the modern technologies. I'm not asking you to wait to complete the training just in 2 weeks. 2 weeks means just after 10 classes, means after 20 hours. After 20 hours of live classes, if you are going to compare your technical skill from before starting the training, you will see a remarkable improvement in your technical skill. What I told you, you will be standing somewhere in the networking industry, whether it is packet flow, IP addressing, OSI model, DNS, DHCP. you will be expert in these all. You will be confident within 2 weeks of the training. After the training, forget, leave that aside. That will take time, right? 3 to 4 months is going to be the duration of this batch. It will take time. Forget about that. Keep the course aside for a moment. Just give me the 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I will take your foundation to the next level. And even if you are at zero level, if you don't know anything about network, even you don't know what is network, then also I have belief that I can pick a lemon from the ground, and with the help of my 20 hours of training, I can take their foundation to the next level. I have belief. I have implemented it, learned it. I can do it. भैया प्राइस एंड डिस्काउंट प्लीज, हम 1 रुपये का भी डिस्काउंट नहीं देते हैं बॉस, जो भी फी है वो सबके लिए सेम ही है. इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे प्लीज ना पूछिए. गाइज, fee is going to be same for everyone. I am requesting people to not ask for discount. Even if you are going to purchase all courses at PM Networking in bundle, all the available courses, then also you will not get discount of even single rupees. For us, all our students are same. All our followers, subscribers are same. We respect our follower. We respect our students. We worked for our students. Whoever has enrolled in this course, they all are like my brother. Some are my big brother, some are my small brother, but they all are younger or big brother. How I can do this with my brother, right? How I can give the course someone to 10,000 and someone to 50,000? Not possible, right? So PM Networking is not providing discount on any course. Whatever fee is there on the website, it will be that only. If someone is giving you the discount, maybe someone is cheating you. Maybe you will not get course. Getting my point? There is no any discount for any course. Price is same for everyone. I already told you. Whether you are following me on YouTube, you are my subscriber, or you are my paid student, or you are my hater, I love you. You are like my brother. You are like my brother and sister. I can't do this with my brother. I am not that kind of people who jealous with the brother success. I love to celebrate the other success. See, other institutes are saying, Praphul was saying some before, someone is saying Praphul is a scammer, correct? But trust me guys, I never joined any live class of other institutes. Never and ever. Never joined the live session of any networking institutes. Because I am not learning CCNA, or if someone is doing the live streaming for CCNA, right? So it is for those who are learning the CCNA. It's not for me. If I am there, that means I am just wasting my time. It's all about wasting my time. Correct? But don't know why others people are doing this. How it is beneficial. If someone is going to say Praphul is the scammer or is going to abuse me, let's say for an example, in the comment section, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Nothing. No one can impact even single % of my business. No one. No one in the entire world except me and my team who is working for PM Networking. If they want, then they can disturb everything. If my team member want, then they can disturb everything, I know. But no one else. by putting something in comment here. Even they cannot demotivate me. I know about the negative people very well, right? I have very clear and crystal mindset, guys. Very clear and crystal mindset. But if someone is joining the live classes just to give the negative feedback, just to dislike the video, that means they are just wasting their own time. If they will utilize that time to learn something that can help to earn something significant. Course is starting today 8 p.m. Prajapati, what's your question? Type your question in few words, please. Then only I will reply. What's your question? Type your question in few words. When the class gonna start? Class is gonna start from today 8 p.m. Okay. So guys, the training program will focus on foundation in first 2 weeks. Completely foundation, and after that this is like one course for multiple career path, right? Whether you want to become a cloud engineer, whether you want to become a SDN engineer, WAN architect, network engineer, SD-WAN engineer, data center engineer, this course will help you to become these all engineer. You can choose any career, right? So multiple paths. The training program, this CCNA plus CCNP, will open multiple doors for you. According to your interest, you can choose anyone. Can I get job in the networking after 8-year gap? You cannot get job in networking with 0 years gap. 8 year is different thing. Even a single year of gap, no one can get job in networking without a skill. To get job in the networking, a skill is required. It is job doesn't matter on gap. Gap is there or gap is not there. It is not like that. Networking job doesn't matter on gap. Like people who don't have gap will get the job, and people who have gap will not get the job. To get the job, a skill is required. If someone has a skill, they can get job. Someone don't has a skill, they cannot get job. Doesn't matter. Gap is there or gap is not there. Gap doesn't matter. Right? So guys, the one course is going to open multiple career path. Whenever you are becoming a network engineer, security engineer, or data center engineer, this combo course will prepare for these all roles. After that, this program will also save your time and energy. How this program can save your time and energy? See, you are going to learn from someone who is already working on this technology and who has already mastered this technology. So they know what to teach. Guys, there are so many things which we don't need to learn based on today's IT networking needs, based on today IT networking. So many things are there which we don't need to learn. Like we don't need to spend much time on the manual configuration, because the manual configuration is now has almost gone. Nowadays, we are managing our networks through software, right? So how you will configure the devices, whether it is LAN device or WAN device, doesn't matter. Whether it is Cisco switch, Meraki switch, doesn't matter. Whether it is SD-WAN, SD-access, ACI or segment routing, doesn't matter. But every time you are going to manage the devices through software, through the controller. right? You will have the GUI access and the CLI access. Most of the time we are using the GUI access. So the program is designed to focus the current networking scenario, the current networking which is running in the enterprises right now. If I am going to teach you 10 years before technology, there is no logic. There is no logic of teaching. If I am teaching, just I am wasting my time as well. If you are learning, you are wasting your time as well. And it is not going to help you anywhere. No, not at all. Correct? So, how you can save the time and energy? I am going to save your time and energy. I will tell you what to learn and what to not learn to become the next generation network engineer to survive in today's IT networking world. Right? You don't just teach theory here. We will not only teach you the theory. We will discuss the real company design. Right? The network design of real enterprise network. I am going to share the design of my multiple previous companies where I had worked on their design. I have very clear and crystal understanding of their design, their configuration, the issues, right? Their performance issues, what was the ticket coming in that company, in that network, why that ticket was coming, where was the issue in design, where was the issue in connectivity, where was the issue in configuration. I have clear and crystal understanding. Even I remember my experience with all previous companies, and this course is the mixture of those all experience. Right? The course is well structured and organized by me only. So this way it is going to save your time and energy. You will not spend much time on learning unnecessary thing. Some time to understand the modern technologies. We need to learn some guys traditional technology as well. If I will give you, there is a very interesting example, very interesting. Let me tell you, and as you are the network engineer, you are in the networking industry, you will love this example. You know ARP protocol, ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol, right? What is the use of ARP? Can anyone tell me in the comment section what is the use of ARP protocol? Tell me in the comment what is ARP. What is ARP protocol? And guys, if you have not liked the video, please like the video. See, 40 people has already liked the video. These 40 are the serious people, are my follower, are my subscribers, or maybe are my paid student who are loving me. And I am always open for this all. So brother, tell me what is ARP protocol in the comment section. And in future we have to replace the ARP. We have to replace the ARP. We cannot survive with ARP, guys. In the future you will not find ARP. What I am saying, if SD-WAN is the popular, then SD-WAN is popular today. After 5 years, 10 years, it is not sure that SD-WAN will be popular WAN technology. 10 years ago, MPLS was the most popular WAN technology. Just 10 years back, MPLS was the most popular WAN technology. But today, SD-WAN is the most popular WAN technology. Tomorrow, after 5 years, 10 years, other technology will be the popular WAN technologies. Right? So I am waiting for your response in the comment section. Please type what is ARP protocol, ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. Or you can type what is the issue with ARP. What is the issue with ARP? Why we need to replace ARP protocol in the network in the future? ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. You know, ARP works on broadcast. And guys, we are moving from broadcast to multicasting. In future, you will not find broadcast in the layer 2 network. Right now in the layer 2 network, ARP protocol generate broadcast message, DHCP protocol generate broadcast message. So we need to restructure this protocol in the future. In the future, we are going to restructure the working of DHCP, restructure the working of ARP protocol, because we are moving from broadcast to multicasting. So like this technology is updating, and it will be always updating, guys. And as a employee, as an engineer of this industry, it's our responsibility to update ourselves, to update our skills according to the needs. Oh, I think I'm not able to see the comment here. Okay. Group is available here, WhatsApp group. Rani 1000, very good. Thank you so much. Resolve MAC address, absolutely. Resolve MAC address. Yes. And the main issue with ARP is what? Works on broadcast. So right now, SD-WAN is the modern technology, a popular technology. But in future, maybe we will have another technology. And in the future, again, you have to learn. And I want that. That in future, we are at same age, right? We are like-minded. There are two things common. We are at same age, in the same industry. After 10 years, if you need to learn the modern technology, then also I want to teach you. Right? I want to build a strong relationship with my students. I want to build a community, a strong community of network engineers. And guys, if you want to become a confident engineer, if you are the serious, if you have a dream, if you want to live a life which you have imagined for yourself, want to be the updated, top demanding, then this training program is only for you. My CCNA plus CCNP course. This is online, seats are limited. If you are interested, ready to invest time, money, energy, then connect with team or visit our website. Here in the comment section also I am putting my WhatsApp number. Now I have to leave this live session because just after 3 hours my live class is going to start. For CCNA plus CCNP, live class is going to start just after 3 hours. Right? And I am very excited, very excited to meet to the new people, to understand their requirement, and want to know why they decided to join PM networking only. Isn't it? This is my motivation. More than 15 people has already there in the group. Yesterday night I had seen that. I need to talk to my team as well, to the Arun. What is the status? How many students are there? And I need to prepare few labs. Almost all labs are ready, but I want to show some lab to the student. So I need to design those labs. Even I am on leave today from my office. The reason? Just this combo batch. Guys, trust me, I'm very excited. Very excited. I will do the broadcast of this class on YouTube after 8 p.m. like after the introduction session. Around 8:30 you will get live session on YouTube. Again, I cannot promise you. I will try, right? Maybe I will come live on the YouTube where you will see my excitement in the live class. Thank you. That's all for today, guys. Now 37 people are watching. Please like the video. If you have not clicked on like button yet. And thank you so much for joining here, for sharing your feedback, suggestion, thought in the comment section. And you are the main motivation. You are my main motivation. Your comments, your likes, when you said, Praphul, this is the world best networking trainer on YouTube. Your teaching method is unique. You changed my life. When someone said, Praphul, because of your YouTube videos or because of your paid class, I got job in Palo Alto, in the Juniper, Cisco, SCI, these kind of company that motivate me. Let's build a strong relationship with each other. Doesn't matter you are my paid student or not. You have enrolled for any course at PM Networking or not. If you are connected with me on social media platform, maybe you are watching me on YouTube, maybe you are watching me on Facebook, maybe you are watching me on LinkedIn, maybe you are connected with me on LinkedIn, you are the family member. We are already connected, right? Let's keep this relationship like this in future also, so that in future we can measure the growth of each other. We'll see after 10 years. We had started from here, from today, right? And after 10 years, let's see what is happening, where we are going, what we are achieving. And guys, I don't have dream to just grow my life. I want my all family members, whoever are connected me on my social media platform or they are in live class, I want you all to grow. This is the reason why I'm posting video every day on my YouTube channel, so that you can learn something. I want you all to grow in your professional life in the networking industry. And we will be keep measuring the improvement. That's all for today. Definitely I will come live again to discuss more about the PM networking, about the networking content, about myself, and I will listen about yourself as well. That's all for today. If you have not liked the video till now, like the video. If you are new, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel. You can also enable the bell icon if you need notification whenever I will upload the new video. That's all. Bye bye. Thank you so much.